Hey everybody, I'm Darrin Hoyle with Acuity Brands Canada. I wanted to take a moment and let you guys know that despite what's going on, we're still open for business. Our associates and their families are our top priority, but we want to ensure that we're doing what we can to make business continue as close to normal as possible.
As we all know, during these difficult times, a lot of the events and activities that we normally take for granted have been put on hold or canceled. I'm pleased to report, however, at Acuity Brands, our manufacturing plants and supply chain are up and running and shipping product. We supply lighting and lighting control products for maintenance and construction for many sectors, a few including hospitals, clinics, supermarkets, infrastructure, and roadway.
Our front office staff is remote, but fully operational and ready to respond to customers. We continue production in agreement with public health and all levels of government, and our ability to serve our customers and our commitment to them remains strong.
During these difficult times, our customers can reach us through the same old ways they always have, phone or email. Though we're working remotely, we're always available to serve your needs. Also, our goal in this times is to try and make sure that we stay as connected to our channel partners as we can, using all the technology at our disposal. We're having lots and lots of virtual meetings with our customers in order to make sure that we stay as connected to the channel as we can be and make sure that we're available to serve your needs in any way that we can. One of the things that we're doing is making sure that our channel partners have the opportunity to self-learn during this downtime. We're encouraging all of our customers to use our virtual platform called Acuity Academy, where you can go online and do lots and lots of virtual training to keep your skills sharp for when we get back to business. Most importantly, folks, during these times, we want to make sure that you stay safe, be well, be with your families, and we will be here to serve your needs through, during, and after this crisis. We're here for you. Thank you very much for all you do for us, and remember, this too shall pass.